This is the High Performance Meditator, and welcome to your simple guided meditation. This is for anyone looking to start a meditative practice. It will be a very simple meditation, hence the name. All that we're going to be doing is focusing on the breath, taking some time for silence, and it is only going to be a 15-minute meditation. So first, set yourself up. Find a nice, comfortable environment to place yourself in. We're going to do this meditation seated. You can rest your back against a wall. You can place cushions underneath your coccyx to give you a little bit of extra lift. And you can also be seated on a chair or anywhere you like, or the ground if that feels good. Your legs can be crossed, they can be open, whatever makes this meditation easiest for you. If you do find yourself falling asleep during this meditation, sit a little bit more upright, make yourself slightly less comfortable. If you find yourself getting annoyed in this meditation due to physical pain, feel free to do the opposite and make yourself a little bit more comfortable. To begin this meditation, we will start with a few breaths, and there will also be some music in the background just to help us get into that peaceful space a lot quicker. So, if you are ready, let us begin. Starting by taking a deep breath in through the nose and deep breath out through the mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. And deep breath out through the mouth. It's always good to start with a few breaths. Final deep breath in through the nose. And exhale slowly out through the mouth. If the eyes aren't already closed, I invite you to close them. If closing the eyes causes too much distraction in the mind, then feel free to have them slightly open. I invite you to take this opportunity to go inward, to begin to listen to your own thoughts and feelings. And the first thing we do here is recognize that we are not those thoughts or feelings, that we are merely the observer. We are that which witnesses, which watches. And we are also the non-judging observer. We are able to have an experience without judgment, just pure witnessing of the experience as it takes place. This is going to be a big part of our meditative practice. As you sit here, begin to just watch as thought and feeling starts to move through your awareness, recognizing more and more how much of the awareness you are, and how less and less you are that which you are aware of. Becoming aware of your current mental state and emotional state. Taking a small note of it, and we move on to a little bit more breathing. This breathing that we are going to do is called box breathing. There are many variations of it. We will do a variation where we breathe in for 3, hold for 3, breathe out for 4, and hold for 4. Let us begin. Deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count a little bit slower. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final time with me. In. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, for some time, we are going to allow for self-practice during this empty space. Just keep practicing the breath that we have just done. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3. Holding for 1, 2, 3. Out for 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding for 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting in your own mind, moving at your own pace for a few moments, starting now. If you find yourself getting distracted, it's okay. Just bring yourself back to counting the breath. In 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Out 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Very good. Taking one final deep breath in. Holding. Deep breath out. Holding. releasing the breath. And for the final few moments, we're just going to open our awareness up and observe the breath as it passes through without any effort. So releasing conscious control of your breathing and just noticing the ebbs and flows of your own rhythmic breath without judgment, just pure awareness and observation. For the next few moments of silence, that's all we're going to do. Just focus our awareness, holding it softly as the breath moves through it. And if any other distracting thoughts come, that's okay. We allow for them to come and we allow for them to go. Any feelings, any noises, and we just open ourselves towards the breath. Let the breath be all that we allow our awareness to be with. Do this for the next few moments, being with your breath. And give yourself to this practice. Allow for emptiness to form around the flow of your breathing. Allow yourself to relieve the tension of the day with each breath. Just following the breath. Good. An invitation to become aware of your sensations, become aware of the surrounding room, the sounds in the room. Become aware of your day ahead or a day that is past. Become aware of the softness, the peace you feel in this moment, checking in again. And I invite you to carry this peace with you throughout the rest of your day or night. Bring it into everything that you do and allow yourself to just be a few more times today or tomorrow or the next day. Taking a deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out. finish with one final Om, just to set good vibrations for the rest of your time. Feel free to Om along with me, or just receive. Deep breath in. You can gently start to open your eyes. Bring yourself back. Thank you so much for your practice today. Remember, you can do this practice every day, multiple times a day, anytime you like, with or without guidance. Without guidance, just do the breathing that we have just practiced. In for 3, hold for 3, out for 4, hold for 4, and then follow your breath for a little bit. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Or just return to this guided meditation and let this assist you in getting into that place. Once again, thank you for your practice today. Thank yourself for taking time for yourself. If you do like these meditations, please feel free to drop a comment, to share, and stay tuned for more. Sending lots of love from the High Performance Meditator. Peace out.